Few years back, I was asked to run for councillor for the area that I was living, and I blatantly turned it down because of the fact of how ungrateful people can be and the huge basket that politicians are given to carry water. How can the Jamaican people not remember that the PNP government have Jamaica under wage freeze for almost 10 years? You forget that we were under wage freeze whilst all the member of parliaments and prime ministers and everybody get raise increase while public servant were under wage freeze? You all forget? Police officers, you all forget that during the PNP time, we couldn't do much patrol because there wasn't any petrol to put in the vehicle. They gave us a cap of 30,000 gas per month, and that finished in 5 days, so we have to use our private cars to do police work. Can't you see that Andrew Holiness give every government worker 100% raise? Yes, police, teachers, soldiers, nurses, everybody get 100% raise. Every senior teachers, or maybe I can say every teacher get a computer at school, get a laptop. Andrew Holiness give every teacher, I'm not sure if it is every guidance counselor, every senior teacher, have a laptop. Which other prime minister in Jamaica fix every road, fix every library, fix every hospital, fix every school, fix every police station? And for those of you who are talking about the state of the healthcare, let me remind you that is Andrew Holness government gave us free healthcare. Under PNP government, persons used to sick and we find them in their house dead because persons could not afford to get healthcare. Is the Jamaica Labour Party give free healthcare in Jamaica? You forget? What they did, they used to let children under 12 can go to the hospital free and all seniors and everybody couldn't go. Is the JLP government roll it back and say, we are going to use taxpayers' money and give the people health care? And those millions of dollars that are being ramped up every year is gang violence, is persons who in gangs with gunshot wounds. You know how much it costs to treat one gunshot wound patients per month? You know how much money it costs to treat one gunshot wound patient per month? Who are those persons who are wounded and take up all the hospital beds? It's not only persons who abandon their loved ones in the hospital. It's gangs. So look, I couldn't go into politics because the level of ingratitude is too much. The only person who have a little bowl of compassion for the people of Jamaica is Andrew Holness. And for the first time in my life, if I would ever vote, it would have to be for Andrew Holiness. He's the only one that care about Jamaican people. He's the only one who build up Jamaican, build him house a Jamaican invest. Everybody else buy them house all over the world. Andrew is the only one who really love Jamaica. Yes, I said it.